to the Gangwon-do area. We're taking a taxi to go to the pension.
Yeah.
And once we get there, I'll show you guys around. It looks like it's about to rain. What do you think?
Maybe not.
I think it is.
I saw weather forecast. Just cloudy.
Yeah, but the weather forecast says one thing, but something else totally different happens. Anyway, we'll see. We'll keep you updated. You're not checking out the pension, you're checking the motorcycle? Yeah? Is it beautiful?
Yeah.
So we just got to 퀸스가든 and he's already walking up the stairs without me. The air is so fresh. I can't help but take off my mask. But let me show you guys around. This place has a cafe. They offer a breakfast in the morning as well. It smells like... oh, it smells like fall. Babe, what artist is that?
That picture, yeah, Moon Star. This is also famous picture, right? Whose picture?
Keith Haring. Yeah, Keith Haring. Hey, look at this. I think these are pictures when they started making this place.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
짠. It's like soju. Try it.
Very harsh taste.
Okay, I understand. Very healthy taste. Yeah, online it said that we can do it here. I saw pictures of them doing it here. See, they have all the tools and stuff. And you can make like a cheese board too. Their slippers. Strange flower. I've never seen this before. What is that? Is there a reason why? So I found out this is a protected area that does not allow for any hotels to be built. So many people call it like the Alps of Korea because it's all green. I gotta keep quiet because there's literally no sound around. But there are sheep farms here and hopefully they're gonna be open today. Looks like it's gonna rain. There's like a 20% chance it'll rain. It'll be 30 minutes now until breakfast starts. We're gonna go downstairs and then we're gonna see what's next. Look how beautiful. Bye, Quinsgaden. We're gonna walk to the sheep place, the sheep farm. There's an option to take the bus, but we're gonna opt out of that option because we're healthy. Look at that fuzzy thing. I spotted my first windmill. So I got to the rest stop. I'm glad I went early. That is one crazy long line.
저기 지금 잘 안 보이는 게 바다예요. 산이랑 바다랑 하늘이랑 보여요. 예. 그래서 저기가 더 넘으면 다 바다는 거죠? 예, 다 바다예요. 지금은 이제 잘 안 보이는데 밤에 와서 보면은 여기 이제 오징어 배들이 또 다니면 바다가 굉장히 또